Hello, welcome back. We are still on placing order on CSS buy. This time around, we're going to learn how to place order on CSS buy from the Chinese domestic website like 1688.com, Taobao.com, JD.com, Tmall, and etc. Any other website that are in Chinese character that you'd want CSS buy to help you buy from. So let's head straight to the browser. So we're here again. This is the home page. So when you want to buy from any of these Chinese websites, this is 168. I'm going to use this product as example order to buy. You can see everything in Chinese character is going to be very difficult to understand, although you can just understand some of the things, but it's going to be very difficult to do that. So you can, when you are using Chrome will automatically translate this page for you, but I'm using Firefox, so I would have to use this plugin to translate the page. While it translates, you can see this tmall.com. You can also buy from here. You can see all these websites are being written in Chinese characters. It makes it difficult for you to buy from. So the best thing to do is because of network. So translation is okay. So you can see the page has been translated now, but you can still buy from here, all because the registration is only allowed for Chinese residents, because you need a Chinese bank account, Chinese ID, and the rest for verifying your account over here. And you will need an Alipay to do that over here. So I'll just come when I'm certified with sorting the product and what I want to buy. I want to buy this particular one, the navy blue 30 meters garden hose water gun, which is the 22 yuan. I want to buy 5 pieces of it. So what I have to do is just come to my browser address bar, copy the address, head back to CSS buy homepage and paste it in the search bar and hit enter on my keyboard, and you can see CSS buyer will now upload the product from here, which is in Chinese character, to here, and it comes in English character, and will make it easy for you to read description, to understand whatever you want to order. Whilst the page load correctly, let me show you this wonderful cool option over here. You can do picture search. On CSS buy. You just click on put it on default home page. You can just click on the image icon. When you click on the image icon, CSS buy will give you an option. I think image option is currently down. Let's go back. So here is a product I would like to purchase. Since here is the product I would like to purchase, which is the 30 meters one, I will select it. Is this rather pipe gun, the 30 meters one. You can see domestic shipping is defaultly felt. You can see the domestic shipping has been pre-felt over here. So you select your specification. If you know the default domestic, you can modify it. Let me show you how you can get that. On CSS 1688, you can know that by clicking on this. You can see it's coming from the same province, Shenzhen, Jinzhuang, which is Shenzhen is the same province which CSS by warehouse is, Hangzhou is. So you can see the express number here, but you can know the exact amount by clicking choose area. You click on this and you see CSS by warehouse town here. So when you click on that, you can know it's going to cost what? It's going to cost 50 yuan for the 5 pieces, so that you don't have CSS buyer come back to or cancel your order before you redo it again. And it shows you a little information here that one set per set is how much. It's about 2 kg per one of this product, is about 2 kg. So you have a brief idea about your shipping cost. So since we know our exact domestic shipping, you can just go back to CSS buy and modify what is already pre-filled here, and you can see it has been changed. Then the quantity I want to buy is 5. So when I select that, I would first add to cart, or maybe if I don't want to buy another thing, I'll just click on buy now, because this is just what I want to order. So when it opens the next page for me to confirm payment, so because I'm not going to have it sent to CSS by warehouse first, but rather directly from the seller to the Chinese address I would want it to be sent to, I will select China. You can come here to select, but China is one of the most popular countries I normally send to, so it's here. So I'll just select China and select my Chinese address I would like it to be sent to, and then for that they charge extra 2% service fee. It varies with your level. So you can see 5 quantity at the price per unit is 21.98. Quantity is 5. The total amount, a fee, and domestic shipping fee. So if you have a coupon, it will be visible for you to apply. So here is the total I have to pay, and here is the balance I have in my account. So I'll just click on submit to buy. Clicking on submit to buy, I can just choose to pay from my balances. I have enough balance, or choose either of it to pay from, but I want to pay from my balance. So I've selected my balance and then click on go to pay. So now my order is successfully made. For me to see it, just have to come to my China orders, and then you can see it there. It have a unique ID which I can use as a reference anytime I'm contacting, and then the breakdown and everything is there, and you can see the status is saying currently pending. When it's ordered, it will be changed to ordered like this. After CSS buyer has placed the order with the seller of the item, it will be changed to ordered, which means it's only left with me to receive it in my China warehouse, or to my China address. So you can still add a note if you feel the order you made you don't want it to go through. You can just immediately cancel it. It has about some few hours before it will be changed until it's ordered. So you can cancel, maybe you made a mistake while making order. You can also click on add note to add a note to for the buyer in CSS, but who is going to say it to do that. So that is it for placing an order on CSS buy from 168 Taobao or any other Chinese website. Thank you.